Demi, come on, play. Come on, Dudley, come play. Good girl, Sadie. Dudley, you making friends? Huh? You making friends? That's baby. You ready to go back in, Demi? Yeah, y'all ready. I see you, Dudley. Baby, look, that's Tippy. Tippy's a sweet boy. What you doing, so? Aunt Shelby, what Shelby doing? You resting? Y'all gotta get your beds cleaned inside. Then everybody's going in. Fluffy, you too old to do that. What, Jelly? I see Jelly. Oh, Demi, you gonna make friends with little Sophie? Sophie's a good little girl. Where you going, Chloe? I think Sophie got a boyfriend now. I think so. Dudley, that'll be Sophie. Why don't you be Sophie's boyfriend? Fluffy, you too old to play. Stop. And Jelly Jones, she's not gonna play, so y'all can forget it, huh, Miss Jelly Jones? That's right.